Hello friends, myself Dr. DK Verma. I hope you had enjoyed the Delusion series part 1 webinar, and here I am again coming with the Delusion series part 2 webinar. So about the series 1 lecture, we understood few of the things which were very new. We started the lecture with DNA teleportation experiment. I try to explain what is DNA teleportation and what are the mysterious properties of DNA, and how this DNA teleportation experiment could be probably be explained. So a new concept or a new paradigm of understanding about this certain process was put upon the microbiota theory. Then we try to understand how the thought process affects our DNA, or the thought process affects the physical body. What lies between the thought process and the physical body? So, what is the media involved? So that the new paradigm of understanding, we had discussed about the theory of microbiota. Then we started with our per se delusion series lecture. In that, the basics of delusions were discussed. The basics of delusion, how the sensitivity of a particular person gets affected, and later on, how the he develops a fixed thought process, which we call it as a delusion. And we started with another the explanation of delusion arrested about to be. So in that, 11 remedies are mentioned, and we discussed one by one the different remedies, the core of the remedies, and the understanding of these remedies with respect to this delusion. And a few of the cases I also presented, particularly that multiple myeloma case. In that beautiful entry rubric, delusion came up, and belladonna was prescribed. So I hope that the part 1 lecture was worth attending to. So here I am again, the second lecture on the delusion series part 2 is going to happen on this month December, the last Sunday of December. And in that webinar we will be again discussing another delusion, the understanding of all those remedies, understanding of how that delusion is connected to our pathology in the body. So I hope this will be a very nice learning experience. So friends, learners and homeopaths, please attend. There are only limited seats, 100 seats are available. So please attend. The time will be posted very soon. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Have a nice learning. Thank you.